In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use one Gmail address to create multiple YouTube channels. So basically, you're gonna go on YouTube's like front page, like the home page, and then press on your channel icon, top right, and then press switch accounts, and then if you have multiple accounts, you're gonna have to scroll a little bit down, but you should see view all channels and press view all channels. And boom, look, as you can see, it says create a channel, and then you could put in whatever, and you could just essentially create like multiple YouTube channels using the same email, so you don't have to create new emails every single time. Yeah, this is pretty helpful. As you can see, I have two channels, my main channel and this channel, and yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.